Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one in here, that is about 8 to the power of s, everything to the power of number 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 8 to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 8 to the power of s f and a ds. Next, because we don't have f and a in here, so we need to divide both sides by f and 8. This one we change by u. This one we change by this one. So the integration of this one, that is about octane of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.